In this screencast, we will look at using speech recognition software in conjunction with Transana. Transana does not provide any voice recognition functionality, but, as demonstrated here, may be able to make use of voice recognition functionality provided by operating systems or other compatible speech and voice recognition programs. This screencast shows one speech recognition program demonstrating the best technique I've been able to find so far, but other systems may work similarly. This screencast is being recorded in January 2018. The computer I'm using is running Windows 10, updated with the 2017 Fall Creators Update. There are a variety of ways of accessing speech and voice recognition tools, and how you make things work on your computer may be different than what I'm demonstrating here. I've loaded an episode and a blank transcript in Transana, and I'm ready to transcribe the file. First, I'll click in an editable transcript. Then I'll start the Windows 10 voice recognition software by pressing and holding down the Windows key and pressing the letter H. Then I'll play the video by clicking in the transcript and pressing Control S.
Well, this is the core they started with.
You will notice that initiating media playback in Transana causes the speech recognition system to stop listening. If I try things in the other order, playing the video first and then trying to start the voice recognition program, you can hear that the voice recognition system mutes Transana's audio playback as soon as I press the microphone button.
And they want it to look like that. I'm going to first flip it up. Watch what happens. Okay? Now I'm going to go back to where we started.
So the voice recognition software is not able to process sound playing on the computer directly. It's not able to take a media file as input, and it prevents audio playback from the computer when the system is actively listening for dictation. So what I need to do instead is to listen to my media file, pause it, and then dictate what I hear back into the system. I've found that I can usually make corrections, add punctuation, and insert time codes as I go.
Well, this is the core they started with, and they want it to look like that.
Well, this is the core they started with, and they want it to look like that.
I'm going to first flip it up.
I'm going to first flip it up, period.
Watch what happens.
Watch what happens, period.
Okay? Now I'm going to go back to where we started, and now I'm going to flip it down.
Okay, now I'm going to go back to where we started, and now I'm going to flip it down, period.
What happens each time?
Period. What happens each time? Question mark.
It goes to the same thing.
It's the same, period. It's the ... It goes to the same thing.
Up or whipping it up or whipping
flipping it up, comma, or period, period, period.
Huh, do you think we have to test it on their courseware?
Huh, comma, do you think we have to test it on their courseware? Question mark.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, now, are they the same?
All right, period. Okay, comma, now, comma, are they the same thing?
Okay, now, are they the same? Wait, no? I'm
Yeah, yes, yeah.
they the same? Wait, no? I'm going to flip this one up. Maybe.
I'm going to flip this one up, comma, maybe, period.
Here, I'm going to flip that one up, and I'm going to flip this one down.
There, comma, I'm going to flip that one up, comma, and I'm going to flip this one down, period. This process is a bit more cumbersome than if voice recognition software could directly interpret the media files as played in Transana, but unfortunately, that's not how things work right now. Somewhat confusingly, Windows 10 appears to offer two speech recognition tools. One, started by pressing Windows H, that may be part of Cortana, and another one, called Windows Speech Recognition, accessed through the Windows Ease of Access system. They work somewhat differently, although I've been able to make both systems work with Transana. I've had better consistent performance with the system I've shown here than with the Windows Speech Recognition system. The Windows Speech Recognition system seems to have more difficulty with word recognition and requires an extra click each round to insert the text into Transana. In theory, other speech recognition systems should function about the same way that I have demonstrated here. For example, I have heard that the voice recognition software by Dragon Systems will work this way. However, I've not been able to get voice recognition to work with the speech recognition system built into Mac OS. Because Transana does not provide any voice recognition technology, I am not able to provide technical support about making such technology work with Transana. It's up to you to figure out how to make voice recognition work on your computer, and it's up to the voice recognition program you choose to interface successfully with software such as Transana. Transana can accept text input as demonstrated, but only if it's provided by the voice recognition system in a compatible way. If you find alternatives to the system demonstrated here, please let me know what works for you. I'll add comments, notes, and ideas from Transana users to the screencast webpage that holds this video.